What's going on YouTube? Skittlefabs. So I'm out here doing my wheel bearing on my Caliber SRT4, and I just jacked up both sides of the car, put jack sand under it, and elevated the two front wheels. Now I'm going to show you how to easily check to see if you have a bad wheel bearing. Like I said, just jack it up, put two jack stands under it, and grasp the top of the tire and the bottom of the tire, and basically move back and forth just to see if you have any shaft play, like within that bearing. You guys hear that? And all I'm doing is this. Move you closer so you can hear it. Hey, you guys are on my jack, by the way. Ready? Listen. That's a bad wheel bearing. So I want to make a video, but I don't want to freeze my nips off all morning, so I'm sort of in a rush. Usually try to do YouTube videos on the weekends for you guys so I can make them real in-depth so you guys know how to do everything step by step. But if you watch my previous video, BC coilover install, that'll explain how to disassemble the whole area. Just disassemble it from your strut, those two main bolts. So you guys want to see what those bolts look like? They're right in the middle. Oh, there we go. I just had to zoom, but yeah, you guys get the gist. There's one right here and one right there on top of another. I think it's 19, 17s or 20s or whatever. But BC coilover install, you'll see step by step, and I hope that helps. Once again, my machinist did an amazing job. So if you guys see, these 4 bolts are actually back here, and they had to be impacted off, taken out, and then it actually has to be pushed out as a bearing, and it's one piece. It's from where those bolts are in the hub to obviously here, so that whole piece comes off. And those are the 2 bolts that I was talking about earlier right there, and that's your outer tie rod, and then your ball joint, and yeah, obviously take out your axle. But pretty sure you guys can get this easy job done. I trust ya.